Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. Today, we're unboxing the much anticipated POCO X6 Pro. Let's dive right in and see what this budget-friendly powerhouse has to offer. First up, we have the user manual, which we'll skim through later, and the warranty card, which is always important to have, and of course, a sleek silicone case to keep our device protected from day one. Now, let's check out the power adapter and the USB Type-C cable. With the POCO X6 Pro 67 watts fast charging, we're looking at a full charge in just 45 minutes. That's incredibly fast and convenient. And here is it, the star of the show, the POCO X6 Pro. This device packs a punch with its MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra chipset and a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's a perfect blend of performance and quality at an affordable price point. For those wondering why to choose this phone, it's simple. The POCO X6 Pro offers premium features without breaking the bank. It's got a triple camera setup with a 64-megapixel main sensor, a large 5000 mAh battery, and an immersive display, all within a price range that's hard to beat. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, check out the link in the video description. You'll find the best deals and more details about the phone there. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.